Viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, remember, is on a visit to three northeastern states. He started his visit with Mizoram, then he went to Manipur, and now he is in Assam. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Pooja, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pooja, after giving that healing touch, the much-needed healing touch to the people of Manipur, the focus is going to shift to Assam. Quickly tell us about, his itinerary in Assam, and also talk to us about impact his visit really had on the people of Manipur. What is it that they have to say about the message that the Prime Minister gave today?
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a packed day today, touring three northeastern states. Remember, he started with Mizoram, and thereafter he arrived at Churachandpur. While the inclement weather, created some of the challenges for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to arrive at Churachandpur, but he was determined to, visit this place, and we've seen how he could not fly from Aizawl and land in Churachandpur. So alternative arrangements were made, and he landed at Imphal Airport first, and then he took a 1.5 hour long road trip and arrived at Churachandpur. There he met the internally displaced persons, also addressed the gathering there at the peace ground, and thereafter he announced all of the projects, and the foundation stone laying ceremony took place. Thereafter he proceeded towards Imphal. There too he met the internally displaced persons and also addressed the gathering, and in that gathering his message was very clear, that the central government and Prime Minister is for the peace, progress and prosperity for the people of Manipur. Now, if you look at the impact that it has left behind, is quite positive, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit was very accurately designed. Why I'm saying this is because, the ethnic clashes that broke out last, 2 years ago in 2023. So no community or no ethnic group feels left out. Hence, two locations were selected from Prime Minister's visit. Remember, first he visited Churachandpur, where he met people from one ethnic group, and thereafter he arrived in Imphal meeting people from the other ethnic group. So clearly the kind of message that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had for the people of Manipur was very clear, that the state now needs to move on from whatever happened 2 years ago, the ethnic clashes that broke out in 2023. Now the government is all for the peace restoration for the people of Manipur, and also progress and developmental projects.
Right. Pooja, even as we are speaking, we are getting live visuals which we are showing to our viewers right now. These are live visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Guwahati in Assam, and he's going to participate in the celebrations of 100th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika in Guwahati. So Pooja, now the focus is going to, of course, shift to Assam as well. We are getting live visuals of the Prime Minister. He's in Guwahati, and we can see, a lot of people here also in Guwahati coming out to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, and he's also waving at the crowds, is what we can see right now. Tell us a little bit about the importance of this visit to Assam.
Well, absolutely. So the last visit of the day is, of course, Assam, where he will be participating in the centenary celebration of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Now, remember the kind of icon and the people look up to from Assam. He is a very important icon, and for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he understands the policy of looking east. So the kind of outreach he's had all through the days, starting from Mizoram, then to Manipur, and now Assam, clearly shows the kind of focus the central government has and Prime Minister has for the Northeast.
All right, Pooja, thank you very much for the moment for joining us. We'll come back to you for more on this particular story. And viewers, those are the live visuals that we can see, from Guwahati. There you can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Guwahati right now, and he is also likely to address the gathering there in just a few moments from now. Before this, he had visited Mizoram and Manipur. It's a three-state visit to the northeastern part of the country. He also laid foundation stones for several very, very important projects, and he inaugurated multiple development-related projects as well. Let's now move on.